Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, certainly very stormy, very active, roughly last 2 to 3 hours. The severity of these thunderstorms has decreased. Now, we're still getting downpours, some lightning and some heavy rain, but not quite as severe. Severe thunderstorm warnings now have expired, but take a look at Doppler radar. Not out of the woods as far as some downpours and a bit of lightning. Now, most of this activity is pretty much gone, I would say, by 8 o'clock the latest. This is all going to be doing this shift offshore by 8 o'clock and weakening and thereafter improving weather. But these little icons indicate reports of some hail. We've had some reports of some wind damage as well. And while we're still seeing some lightning activity, these icons represent lightning strikes. The lightning count has been decreasing as well, but still getting some lightning and thunder and some downpours throughout southeastern Mass, Rhode Island, and then just offshore of Cape Cod. The flash flood warning for Fall River and Bristol. This is until 8:30. Still some reports of some street flooding in this area due to some very heavy rainfall as some of these storms. This is set to expire at 8:30 as the water starts to recede. But notice we don't see as much of the deep reds and purples and pink, which indicate on the Doppler radar some of the more severe storms. But that activity is essentially working from north to south. And notice to our north and west, things have improved and dry out already. So this will be working offshore in the next hour to hour and a half. And you can notice upstream the activity has been diminishing as well. In Providence right now, hard to believe. I mean, just an hour and a half ago you had the real heavy downpours of poor visibility, and now you see a little filtered sun, kind of a hazy sun. That's actually due to wildfire smoke. It's not near the ground, it's high up in the sky, but causing this hazy appearance. And we'll have that tomorrow. We're forecasting sunshine, but it will be a milky filtered sun tomorrow because of some of the wildfire smoke from fires in Canada that'll still pass through the upper part of our atmosphere on Friday. In New Bedford, stormy. I mean, you're getting downpours and lightning here, though the severity of these storms has decreased. So our threat tracker remains elevated through up until about 8 p.m. and thereafter we're pretty good. The rest of the night should be fine. Sets up for a hazy, warm, and dry Friday. Hazy sunshine. A better organized Ernesto. You got a well-defined eye here. The top winds now are at 85 miles per hour. Very impressive looking satellite photo. It's kind of a textbook example of an intensifying hurricane. Winds are at 85, moving north at 13. Still anticipated to impact Bermuda later Friday night and on into Saturday morning as the storm continues the track north and eventually north and east, well off the New England coastline by several hundred miles. So obviously no rain or wind with this, but it's going to kick up the waves. I mean, very common, and we've seen this many times with hurricanes that are well offshore. That wave energy propagates towards the coastline. So it starts a little bit Friday night, but more so Saturday and Sunday. Dangerous surf, stay off the rocks, dangerous rip currents as well. So for this evening, another hour, 2 tops, and then things will be improving once we get beyond 8 o'clock this evening with some clearing. In fact, we're already seeing a bit of sunshine in Providence right now. Tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon looking good with sunshine, a milky sun, hazy, but otherwise warm and dry with temperatures in the lower 80s. All right, 7-day forecast looking good for Friday. Saturday is still dry with a mix of clouds and sun, and feeling more optimistic about Sunday. We'll hold off showers now until Sunday night. We'll keep Sunday day dry with temperatures over the weekend upper 70s to around 80s. Still some thunder, but the severity has really come down in the last hour.
All right, Tony, thank you. Coming up tonight at 10 and 11.